There's a certain magic to solo travel, a thrill in the unknown, a liberation in setting your own pace. And for women, it's a particularly potent cocktail. It's about claiming your independence, pushing your boundaries, and discovering the world and yourself on your own terms. For far too long, societal norms and expectations kept women tethered. Travel, especially solo travel, was seen as something men did. Thankfully, the world is changing. Women are breaking free from these constraints. They're choosing adventure, embracing their wanderlust, and rewriting the narrative of what it means to be a woman in the world. This guide is for those women, the ones who hear the siren call of adventure, who dream of foreign lands and new experiences, who are ready to step outside their comfort zones and into the vast, beautiful unknown. It's time to pack your bags, ladies. The open road awaits. The rise of solo female travel is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Statistics paint a clear picture. Women are increasingly planning leisure trips just for themselves. Nearly 40% of female travelers voiced interest in setting out solo in 2025. The tourism market research firm Future Partners found in a recent survey, up 8 percentage points from a year earlier. More and more women are choosing to explore the world on their terms. Another recent study found that solo female travel has increased by a significant percentage in the past decade. This isn't just a blip, it's a seismic shift. The reasons behind this surge are multifaceted. Women are more financially independent than ever before. They're delaying marriage and motherhood, and they're prioritizing personal growth and experiences. There's also a growing awareness of the unique benefits of solo travel. It allows for unparalleled freedom, flexibility, and self-discovery. When you travel alone, you set the itinerary. You decide where to go, what to see, and how long to linger. You can indulge your passions, whether it's art museums in Paris or hiking trails in Patagonia. There's no need to compromise or negotiate. It's your journey, your way. Safety is paramount, especially when you're a woman traveling alone. But let's be clear, the world is not inherently more dangerous for women. It's about taking smart precautions and being prepared. Before you go, research your destination thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with local customs, laws, and any potential safety concerns. Choose accommodations with good reviews, preferably in safe and well-lit areas. Share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member and check in regularly. Trust your instincts. If a situation feels unsafe, it probably is. Avoid walking alone at night, especially in unfamiliar areas. Be mindful of your surroundings and avoid displaying large amounts of cash or expensive jewelry. Technology can also be a valuable ally. Download safety apps that allow you to share your location, send alerts, and access emergency services. Consider carrying a personal alarm or whistle. Next, sharing your journey, keeping loved ones in the loop. While solo travel is about independence, it's not about disappearing off the grid entirely. It's essential to keep loved ones informed about your whereabouts and travel plans. Before you depart, share your detailed itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. Include flight information, accommodation details, and any planned activities. Establish regular check-in times, whether it's a quick text message or a phone call. Consider using a location-sharing app so your loved ones can track your movements. This can provide peace of mind for both you and them. Social media can also be a useful tool for staying connected. Share photos and updates about your adventures, but be mindful of your privacy settings. Remember, staying connected isn't just about safety, it's about sharing your experiences with those who care about you. Now to the fun part, crafting your adventure destinations, budgets, and dreams. Choosing a destination is one of the most exciting parts of planning a solo trip. The world is your oyster, but with so many incredible places to explore, it can be overwhelming. Start by considering your interests and passions. Are you drawn to history, culture, nature, or adventure? Do you crave bustling cities or tranquil beaches? Once you have a sense of your travel style, you can narrow down your options. Budget is another crucial factor. Southeast Asia, for example, is renowned for its affordability, while Western Europe and North America tend to be more expensive. Research different destinations and compare costs for accommodation, food, and activities. Don't be afraid to dream big. Solo travel is about pushing your boundaries and experiencing new things. Whether it's learning to tango in Argentina or hiking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, embrace the opportunity to create a journey that's uniquely yours. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.